Now, good morning children. Let us now see the nth term of arithmetic progression. That is nth term of AP. Before that, we have seen in the previous class the first term of AP. The first term of AP is what? A, which is also known as A1 of the general form of AP series. Okay. Now after that, second term will be what? Second term, so term of AP, that is A2 equals to what? A plus 2 minus 1 into B. Same way, third term we have seen what? Third term of AP equals to A3 equals to what? A plus, because the third term, so 3 minus 1 into D. This we have seen, which is equals to A plus 2D. Here also it will be A plus D. We have seen this. So same way, nth term will be what? Nth term of AP will be n, which is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay. If n is the last term, if n is the last term of AP, then an equals to L. L means the last term. Okay. So our nth term formula will be what? Nth term of AP equals to an equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. So in 5.2 questions, most of the questions will be solved with this formula. This is the formula of nth term. Okay, so based on this formula only, 5.2 questions are solved. Okay, now let us deal with one of the question of your 5.2. Okay, let us take one of the question as, question is find the 100th term of AP of the AP. What is that AP series? That is 2, 7, 12 and so on. As dot is given means you know which type of AP series it is? Infinite AP series. Now the solution what you will find, because we don't know the 100th term, we have to find that. Clear? So here in the question you can see, we have, you can write here, we have AP series as what? 2, 7, 12 and dot. So here what is the first term? So here A, that is first term equals to what? 2. Okay. And what is the D? Because already it is given that the series is in AP. It is your AP series. That means what? Difference will be the same. D common difference will be same among the first to the second term, second to the third term and so on. So D will be what? D equals to A2 minus A1. That is equals to what? 7 minus 2, because A2 term is 7 and A1 is 2. So 7 minus 2 will be equals to 5. Okay. Now what we are supposed to find? 100th term. Nth term formula is AN. 100th term formula will be, you can write 100th term imply equals to A100 equals to A plus 100 minus 1 into D. Okay. So now here put the values, that is A100 equals to what? A, what is the value of A? First term 2. So 2 plus 100 minus 1 will be 99. So 99 into D or D. Okay. Implies 2 plus 99 into, what is the value of D? You can see here 5. So multiply 5. So it will be 2 plus 45, 5, 4, 45 and 4 will be 49. When you add, how much you'll get? 400 and 501. Only 2 is added there, na? So 497. So you can write thus the 100th term of AP is how much? 497. Answer. Clear? Understood, children? Likewise, the first question of 5.2 we will solve. Okay? What is given in the question? We'll see now. Five point two exercise 5.2 of NCERT book will be what? First table is given. In the first table A1 you can see what is given in the question, that is fill in the blanks in the following table given that A is the first term and D is the common difference and AN is the nth term of the series or AP. Then first one, what is given? First question, first one's first part. What is given? A is how much? A is given as 7 and D is given as 3 and N is given as 8. 8. Okay. Then you have to find what? Find AN. Okay, in the first one. So what you will do? nth term. Okay, solution will be nth term you have to find, that is A plus N minus 1 into D, which will be here nth term 8, N is 8. So A, 8 will be A value, what is that? 7. So 7 plus 8 minus 1 into D is 3, which is equals to 7 plus 8 minus 1, 7 into 3 will be equals to 7 plus 21, which is equals to 28. So A8 will be equals to 28. First one's the answer. Okay. Same way you can find the second question. Second question is given as A is given, then D is given. In the second question, A is given minus 18. A is given, then D is not given. D you have to find. And then N is given as 8. N is 10. And then AN is 0. AN is 0. Okay. Likewise, if it is given, then you have to find what? Value of D. So here same AN formula solution. AN formula equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. So here what is given? A equals to given, that is you can directly put because already values are given. So AN means A10. N value is 10. So I can write A10 equals to A value is minus 18 plus what? N is what? 10 minus 1 into D implies A10 is how much? AN means what? Here value of N, if I put what I get, equals to 0. That means my this value will be what? 0 equals to minus 18 plus 10 minus 1 will be 9D, implies by transposing 9D equals to 18 and implies D equals to what? 18 upon 9, which is equals to 2. So here thus D equals to 2 for the second one. Likewise, you solve third, fourth and likewise homework will be solve third question, fourth question and fifth question. Okay, do it as homework. Now the next one we'll see, that is question number 2. Okay, question number 2 we'll see now. Question number 2 is given as, choose the correct choice in the following and justify. So first question is 30th term of AP. 30th term of AP, what is the series? 10, 7, 4 and dot dot. Seeing this number and in the series, we can understand it is in descending order. That means common difference will be definitely negative, because when the series is in descending order, common difference will be negative. If it is in ascending order, common difference will be positive. So now you can see that here solution, what? The 30th term of this one you have to find. Means A30 you have to find. What is given? A is 10. B, how will you find? Second term minus A2 minus A1, which is equals to, here what is that A2? 7 minus 10, which is equals to minus 3. So here B is what? B is minus 3. Okay, so therefore A30 will be how much? A plus, nth term formula you will use, an equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So here n is 30. Okay, you can write here n is how much? 30. So 30 minus 1 into d. Okay, implies what? A30 we have to find. So keep it like that. Then value of a is given as 10 plus here 30 minus 1 will be 29 into d is what? Minus 3, implies A30 will be equals to 10, and then plus into minus will be minus, and this one 787 it will be. Okay, so now on subtraction what you will get? A30 will be equals to minus 77. So this will be the answer for this. Now you can check in the book what is given. A, B, C, D options are given. First option is given as 97. Second option is given as 77. Third option is given as minus 77. And fourth option is given as minus 87. So this value is given in C option. C option. Therefore, this one is the correct answer. C is the correct answer. Dear children, understood this? Likewise, the second one also you can see. Second one, what is that? The 11th term. 11th term of AP. AP is in which one? That is minus 3, then minus 1 upon 2, then comma 2, then dot dot dot. Likewise. So here also you can see it is your infinite arithmetic progression. So now solution again same way, right? That is, here you can write here a is what? First term, that is minus 3. Then common difference, how will you find? B equals to A2 minus A1. Here A2 is this one, A1 is this one. So put the values, minus 1 upon 2, then minus of minus 3, which is equals to how much? Minus 1 upon 2, minus into minus will be plus 3, which is equals to how much? 5 upon 2. So D is how much? D equals to 5 upon 2. Okay, and N is given as what? 11, because N 11th term you have to find. So N is 11. So here you can write again which formula? An formula, that is nth term equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now substitute these values here. What you will get? An means A11. A11th term equals to a value is minus 3 plus n is what? 11 minus 1 into d is what? 5 upon 2. Now on simplification, what you get? Minus 3 plus, this will be 11 minus 1 will be 10 into 5 upon 2, which will be equals to 5 table numerator and denominator will get cancelled. So what it will be? Minus 3 plus 25, because 5 5s are 25. So now it will be 23. So thus you can write thus A11 is how much? A11 term is 23. So check in your options. Which option is the correct one? First option is given as 28. So that is not the correct answer. Second option is 22. Third one is, sorry, when you subtract, what you will get? 22 here. It will be 22. So second option is 22, third option is minus 38, and fourth option is minus 48, 1 upon 2. So this is there in B option. So B option is the correct answer. Correct answer. Dear children, understood? Likewise, now go for the third one. Third question we'll see now. Now third question, in the following AP, find the missing number. Now you can see the missing number is given as 2, then box is given likewise, and then the third number is 26. That means I can write this series as A1, comma A2, comma A3. Right children? Now A1 is given as what? First term. A1 equals to what? A equals to what? 2. Okay. Now A3. You can write let A2. Let A2. This means this term is not known to us. So let A2 be A2 equals to X. This is your X value, suppose we are taking as X. So what will be your D? D will be equals to A2 minus A1. We know that. Okay. So now here what is A2? A2 is X. Minus what is A1? We have taken as 2. The first term is 2. First term in the series is what? 2. So A1 is 2. So this is not D. Okay. A3 is given as what? A3 equals to what? A plus 3 minus 1 into D. According to AL formula, nth term formula. So now A3 value is already given. Okay. You can write here A3 is how much? 26. Okay. So put the value here, 26 equals to A. A is how much? First term A is 2 plus 3 minus 1 will be 2 into D is how much? D just now we have taken, what is that? X minus 2 implies. Now 26 equals to, now multiply this 2 plus, so 2x minus plus into minus will be minus 4 implies 26. This will come this side, transpose, or you can write 2x minus 2. Now by transposing, what you will get? 26 plus 2 equals to 2x implies 2x equals to 28 implies x equals to how much? 28 upon 2, which is equals to 14. So what is the missing term? Thus you can write, thus the missing term is 14. Okay, answer. Clear? Likewise, second one also you can do. What is in the second one? Second question. We'll see that. What is in the second question? That is first, third one, second. First is this, then comes 13, then again box, and then again 3. So seeing this, we can understand the series is in descending order. That means D will be negative. So we'll check it out. So first, let solution. Okay. Let first series A1, first value, first term A equals to what? X. This is not known to us, so we will take what? X. Okay. So if that is X, A2 is given, this is A1, A2, A3, A4. Okay, likewise it is given. So now we will see what A2 equals to what? A2 is how much? That is A plus 2 minus 1 into D according to nth term. So now A2 value is given 13 equals to what? A is what? X plus D, because 2 minus 1 will be 1 and D. So that is D. Okay. So D will be how much? Implies D will be how much? 13 minus X. Now A is known to us, first term known to us, second D is known to us. So can we go for fourth term, because fourth term value is given, third term is not known to us. So we will not go for third term, we will take fourth term because fourth term value is given. So you can write here A4 equals to what? A plus 4 minus fourth term minus 1 into D implies what is the value of A4? That is 3 equals to what is the value of A? That is X plus 3 into what is D? 13 minus X. Now simplify and get the value of X. That is 3 equals to what you get? This is X plus that is 39. 13 into 3 will be 39 minus 3X implies how much? Bring the constant this side. So 39 equals to, now X minus 3X will be minus 2X implies here subtraction how much you get? 36 equals to minus 2X. So X will be how much? 36 upon 2, because both the sides negative signs are there, that will be cancelled off. So when you subtract and divide, what you get? 18. Therefore, you can write therefore X equals to how much? 18. What is X? That is A1. A1 is 18. Now what is D you will get? D means 13 minus X, which is equals to 13 minus what is the value of X? That is 18. So which will be minus 5. Now A and D you got. Can you find out third term? That is A3. A3 is also not there. So this value you can find, that is A3 equals to A plus 3 minus 1 into D, which is equals to what? A value we got just now. What is it? This first term, this is also known as A equals to A1 equals to this. So this is 18 plus 2 into D is how much? Minus 5 equals to 18 and minus 10 equals to 8. So A3 is how much? Therefore, the term series will be what? Series first one, A1 is how much? 18. Therefore, you can write AP equals to, AP series will be how much? 18, comma, then what is given? 13, comma, A3 is how much? 8, comma, A4 is given as 3 and dot dot. Up to here only it is given in the question. So this will be the answer. Okay.